Wall ovens should be an easy purchase. It's just the oven part of your stove without the burners. However, it is more confusing with more brands, feature possibilities, and combinations more than any other product. In this video, you'll learn how to buy an oven step by step through sizes, and gas versus electric, then some of the better features including smart functionality. You can use this video whether you're simply replacing an existing oven or buying a new kitchen. First, let's cover the basics. Wall ovens are available in 24, 27, 30, and 36 inches wide. For new construction, a 30-inch wall oven has been the standard for 20 years. When we say 30-inch wall oven, we refer to the cabinet, as wall oven dimensions do vary between brands. It's not the actual wall oven size. 36-inch wall ovens are rare because they're only available in super premium brands like Gaggenau, Wolf, and Viking. 27-inch tends to be older oven replacements from the 1980s and 90s, while 24-inch styles are predominantly older gas and some smaller European electric brands. Although gas is a moister heat and better for roasting and broiling, most brands manufacture electric only. Blue Star, G, and Viking manufacture the only decent gas wall ovens, so you're probably going to buy electric almost as a default. But before you buy a double oven, you can customize your cooking around your preferences, like a single oven and a matching steam, microwave drawer, speed oven, or warming drawer. Here's a snapshot of what each can do. Steam ovens cook by injecting moisture for better flavor without losing nutritional value. Miele, Wolf, Gaggenau, Jenn-Air, and Thermador all have good steam oven options. Speed ovens use microwave and convection in a combination for faster cooking without losing the texture and quality. Speaking of microwaves, you can buy them to fit over a single oven with a fold-down door. You can also place a microwave drawer below instead of placing it somewhere else in your kitchen. You can also install a warming drawer to keep food up to 3 hours if you cook it one time and your family eats it another. So you have plenty of options, all dependent on how you like to cook. So let's look at some brands to make sense out of the purchase. It's easy to look at brands in similarly priced groups. The more expensive brands have programmable features and will calculate time and temperature for you through different prompts. These brands include Wolf, Jenn-Air, and Miele. You'll spend roughly $8,000 to $10,000 for a double oven with these features. Miele has steam assist, injecting up to 3 bursts of steam in a cycle, so it's the only oven with the ability to bake bread. The MasterChef controls are simple to operate as well. You just program the food and how you want it to cook, and the oven does the rest. The best Jenn-Air has controls similar to Miele, but also shows pictures of what your food will look like before you cook. Wi-Fi and Alexa compatibility are standard on the Jenn-Air as well. Wolf has its Gourmet Center, giving you similar controls as Miele and Jenn-Air, but Wolf has the best convection system, employing blowers instead of fans for better speed and evenness of cooking. Gaggenau is a French-made yet German company. It is mode-driven, and to decide if you really know how to cook, you could buy it as a side swing as well, instead of a fold-down door like the others. Side swings and French door ovens are better because you don't have to lift your food over the door. In the next tier down is Thermador. They have Wi-Fi and smart functionality. Smart is a promising feature for many brands. You can control your oven through an app on your phone. You can turn it on and off and change temperature. Thermador also has recipe tie-ins through their Home Connect app. You can download and program them automatically. Their steam oven is also the largest, and they have a wide variety of swing door options as well. However, Thermador is older single oven convection versus the more modern twin convection technology. Below Thermador is G and KitchenAid. G has a wide variety of ovens. Their cafe line offers some customization as well, with different colors and handle styles as well. They also have a competitive French door. It's a nice detail, and like the swing doors, you don't have to lift your food over a door. G has made a commitment to smart functionality, and like Thermador, have recipe tie-ins through their Chef Connect app. KitchenAid may have been the first somewhat smart oven with their convection conversion button. Just place your recipe in the oven and hit the button to convert to convection automatically. Look at your sizes first, especially if you're replacing an existing wall oven, and then consider the different options. Do you really need a double oven, or would you be more suited for a more customized selection of steam, speed, or microwave along with a single oven. Then spend some time looking at the oven's capabilities and features. Say like a Miele MasterChef versus Wolf Gourmet versus a Jenn-Air Cuisine Center, or G versus say a KitchenAid. Lastly, if you're buying more sophisticated wall ovens, you should see them working before you buy. Also, because the technology is evolving, you also want to know who will fix your new technology-driven wall oven. Click the link in the description below to download our free wall oven buying guide and to learn more about popular units and in-depth comparisons of all the most popular brands, answers to frequently asked questions, and buying strategies to save you money. Thanks for watching.